The Honeycomb paper machine is a cutting-edge piece of equipment specifically designed to produce honeycomb paperboard, a material known for its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. This machine transforms raw paper into a honeycomb structure that resembles the hexagonal pattern found in a natural honeycomb. The resulting paperboard is lightweight, durable, and eco-friendly, making it an ideal solution for various industrial applications. By investing in this technology, businesses can enhance their packaging, construction, and manufacturing processes while contributing to environmental sustainability. Discover the benefits of honeycomb paperboard and take your operations to the next level with our honeycomb paper machine.